Welcome back to Roam Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Just a reminder that this video reflects my personal experience using the product. We're taking a look at Pillar, found at https://pillar.io, a tool that aims to be your central hub for all your online activity. Think of it as a personalized digital command center designed to streamline your online presence and boost your productivity. Pillar promises to unify your fragmented digital life, bringing together various online tools and platforms into a single, cohesive space. Instead of constantly switching between tabs and apps, imagine having a unified dashboard where you can access everything from your social media accounts and email to your project management tools and favorite websites. This is the core concept behind Pillar, to create a centralized platform that empowers you to manage your digital world more efficiently. Pillar's potential lies in its ability to consolidate your workflow, eliminating the need for constant context switching and allowing you to focus on what truly matters. By aggregating your essential digital tools, Pillar strives to reduce distractions and enhance your online experience. Imagine the time saved by not having to hunt for that specific tab or remember which application held the information you need. But the question remains, does Pillar live up to its promises? Is it truly a game changer in the realm of digital organization, or is it simply another tool vying for your attention? We'll be exploring its features, functionality, and overall user experience to help you determine whether Pillar is the right fit for your digital needs. From managing your online identity to streamlining your daily tasks, we'll delve into the core functionalities that Pillar offers and assess its potential to transform your online world. Stay tuned as we unpack everything Pillar has to offer and see if it delivers on its ambitious vision of a unified digital workspace.